We had new carpet installed and had a fair amount of scraps left over. We also needed some floor mats, so we figured why not make our own? You can see where this is going, so let's get started. Let me start by saying that this is not a cost-effective solution for floor mats. The edge trim we found on Amazon is pricey. There's a link in the description, and yes, I might make a few pennies if you use my link. Expect around 10 feet for $15, so you can probably buy a floor mat for less than that. Of course, I've bought several on Amazon, and none last very long, which is how we ended up here. But sometimes the experience of learning a new thing is worth it. So we cut our carpet to the size we wanted for the floor mat using a razor knife and a straight edge. Then we grabbed some tin snips to make cutting the trim easier. It's lined with thin metal to hold its shape so scissors won't work well, but wire cutters also cut it easily. The rest is pretty simple. You can press fit it onto the carpet. Then we trim the ends flush and use a pair of pliers to crimp the edge trim onto the carpet. This flattens the metal inside and really grips it nicely. For the corners, we tested making miter cuts but didn't like the results, so we did overlapping joints which worked great. Just overlap one over the other and crimp them down. Work your way all around and you're done. It's very easy. It worked far better than a glue-on edging material we also tried, that we consider to be a fail and thus wasn't worth showing. They hold up well with a regular vacuum as well as a robot vac, and don't seem to be bothered by pets. It's not the cleanest look as the edging will never be perfectly straight, but it still looks really good. So if you really want to match your floor mats to your carpet, then give this a try. Of course, if you're so into matching your floor mat to your carpet you're actually going to do this, well, we'll see you at the next support group. This is the part where I ask you to like and subscribe. Do it if you want, skip it if you don't, but it really does help us.